How to create PDF on your Samsung mobile without any third-party apps. To do it, first of all, you have to open up your mobile gallery and then tap on these three lines at the bottom right corner and then tap on settings, and then now scroll down all the way to the bottom, and here you will get about gallery. Tap on it. Then here you will get version number. Now you have to tap on 7 times on the version number rapidly, and after that your gallery labs will enable. Now go back. Now scroll down a little bit, and here you will find gallery labs. Tap on it, and then now scroll down a little bit, and here you'll get save as PDF. Enable it. Now go back to your gallery, and then you have to select the images you want to include in the PDF. Now select the images, then tap on create at the bottom left corner, then tap on save as PDF, then tap on default order. Wait a while. Now open your file manager, then go to internal storage, then download, and then now scroll down, and here you will get your PDF. Tap on it, and as you can see that my PDF has been created. And that's how you can also create PDF on your Samsung mobile without any third-party apps. Hope this video helps you. Then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.